guys, you know what we're going to be cooking today? We're going to be cooking a lemon pie, okay? And we have decided to cook it because it's very quick and it's very easy, right? Yeah, he says that's right. Okay, so we need to melt some butter first, and while it's melting there, then we need to break a couple of eggs and mix them with sugar. As you can see, it's just a little bit of sugar, so very healthy recipe, okay? Okay, so the butter is ready, and you just need to add it to the eggs and sugar, right? And mix it well, and then you also need to add like a half cup of starch, okay? All right, and now some baking soda and some lemon on top of that, okay? Well, let's see if I'm capable of doing that. Maybe. Not with one hand. Well, okay, you understand what to do, right? And the most exciting moment, now you actually need to knit the dough with your hands, okay? So, there we go. And there we go. And oh no!
What is it?
That's my ring! I've got no ring! Wait, it's somewhere there. Can you help me? Important. Now, when you think it's ready, you need to divide it in 2 halves, more or less, and put one of them into the freezer for like half an hour, okay? And while the dough is in the freezer, we need to prepare the filling, okay? So we need to pick a lemon. Well, let's say we're gonna take this one. And you need to pour some hot water on it, like boiling hot water. If you don't do this, it might be bitter, okay? So just leave it there for a minute, and once you do it, then we take the box grater and, well, obviously you need to grate it, the whole thing, okay? Okay, so we have the lemon here, and now we need to add some sugar. Well, this weird brown thing is actually sugar, and I would say it's half a cup, but honestly, I think the lemon was way too big, so it could be a bit more than that. So just add it and mix it. That's it. And we're almost finished. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this part of the dough. That's not the one that was in the freezer, okay? That's the other one. And you need to put it in your baking dish. So actually, it's gonna have 2 layers, okay? It's gonna have the first layer, then the filling, and then the second layer, okay? Okay, so we need to turn on the oven now. It's gonna be like about 180 degrees, okay? And guys, don't forget to take out the things from the oven before you do so, okay? So, well, for instance, you can see I still keep here another baking dish, right? And, oh look, I've been looking for that, look. All right, that's nice. All right, let's see what else. Oh, okay. And, oh, I got married in those shoes, look. Yeah, I think that is. We can turn it on now. Let's do so. Okay. And the very last thing we need to do is you take the dough out of the freezer and you need to grate it, okay? So that's gonna be the last layer. And well, once you're done and it's all over the pie, then you just put it into the oven and wait for, honestly, I have no idea how long you need to wait. Just make sure it's ready. And that's it, okay? So it looks like it's ready, and I think it took me about half an hour to bake it, more or less. Now I know it. Okay, so let's take it out. Try not to burn myself, but that's never easy. Okay, and let's ask the expert. Okay, here's the expert. What do you think? Do you prefer this? Okay. So that's it. Done. Hope you like it.